Hi, baby.
Hi,
How are you?
I'm fine.
What is your name?
My name is Ayat.
Ayat, you have a beautiful name, just like you. How old are you?
I'm 4 years old.
Very good. Ayat, I want to ask you some questions about India. Will you answer me?
Yes.
Who is the father of our nation?
Mohandas Karamchand Gandhi.
Who is the president of India?
Pranab Mukherjee.
Very good. Who is the prime minister of India?
Narendra Modi.
Very good. What is the capital of India?
New Delhi.
Good. What is the financial capital of India?
Mumbai. I live in Mumbai.
Very good. What is our national language?
Hindi.
What is our national animal?
Tiger. It's very gentle. It's living in the zoo.
Yeah.
Yeah.
And which is our national bird?
Oh, it's my favorite peacock. When rain comes, so he opens the feathers and dance this side and this side.
Very good. Have you seen a peacock dancing?
Yes.
Nice. And which is our national flower?
Lotus is my favorite flower. I love lotus.
Really?
Really.
And our national tree?
Banyan tree.
National fruit?
Mango. I love mangoes.
You love mangoes? Even I love mangoes. Which is our national sport?
Hockey.
Very good. Which is our national song?
Vande Mataram.
You know who wrote Vande Mataram?
Yeah.
Who?
Bankim Chandra Chatterjee.
Very good. And what is our national anthem?
Jana Gana Mana.
Who wrote Jana Gana Mana?
Rabindranath Tagore.
Very good. What is our national emblem?
Ashok Stham.
And who made Ashok Stamp?
Emperor Ashoka.
Very good. You're so smart, Ayat. What is written on Ashok Stamp?
Satyamev Jayate. It's one serial about Amir Khan.
It's not about Amir Khan. Amir Khan is hosting that serial.
Okay.
You know there are how many states in India?
Yeah.
How many?
29.
Very good. And how many union territories?
7.
Very good. Can I ask you the capitals of the states?
Yes.
You know all the capitals?
Yes.
Andhra Pradesh,
Vijayawada.
Arunachal Pradesh,
Itanagar.
Assam,
Dispur.
Bihar,
Patna.
Chhattisgarh,
Raipur.
Goa,
Panaji.
Gujarat,
Gandhinagar.
Haryana.
Chandigarh.
Very good. Himachal Pradesh,
Shimla.
Jammu and Kashmir,
Srinagar.
Jharkhand,
Ranchi.
Karnataka,
Bengaluru.
Kerala,
Tiruvaramanthapuram.
Madhya Pradesh.
Bhopal.
Wow. Manipur,
Imphal.
Maharashtra.
Mumbai. I live in Mumbai.
Very good. Meghalaya,
Shillong.
Mizoram,
Aizawl.
Nagaland,
Kohima.
Odisha,
Bhubaneswar.
Punjab,
Chandigarh.
Rajasthan,
Jaipur.
Sikkim,
Gangtok.
Tamil Nadu.
Chennai.
Very good. Telangana,
Hyderabad.
Tripura,
Agartala.
Uttar Pradesh,
Lucknow.
Uttarakhand,
Dehradun.
West Bengal.
Kolkata.
Ayat, you're superb. You're just too good. You know the union territories?
Yes.
Can you tell me?
Yes.
Which are the union territories? Tell me.
Andaman Nicobar. Chandigarh. Dadra and Nagar Haveli. Daman and Diu. Puducherry. Delhi. Lakshadweep.
My God. You know the capitals of these union territories?
Yes.
What is the capital of Andaman and Nicobar?
Port Blair.
Very good. Dadra and Nagar Haveli?
Silvassa.
Daman and Diu?
Daman.
Delhi?
Delhi.
It's New Delhi.
New Delhi.
Chandigarh?
Chandigarh.
Puducherry?
Puducherry.
Lakshadweep?
Kavaratti.
Ayod, you're superb. I love you. I love you. I love you. You're too good.